This is slightly a late drop, but I think we're okay.
Oh, someone got the party started.
No, because I don't know smelling people having it.
Wow, that guy didn't know the shot.
Reloading. Recharging shield. To the
In my building. Thank you. Wait, where did he go? I think he just hit the ground and ran. I hear him. Oh, he's up there. I'm gonna leave him. I'm not there anymore.
Oh, I hate. The wingmen suck. Oh.
Shot fired. Shield cracked. Reloading.
Somebody's like on you though.
Recharging shield. Get bamboozling.
I know. It's a low blow.
They're too cocky. Got extra supplies here? No need to thank me. Threw my grenade out.
I have a blood on fire up here.
Shield cracked. Dude to the rescue. I'm out of energy ammo. Getting shot at. Sending out another me.
Oh my gosh. Stupid Loba.
Look at you.
I got Pop just stole my kill and I'm upset about it.
Enemy killed. I took care of it, don't worry.
Loba's right here, then her teammates up there.
Bamboozle.
Get behind me.
Oh, all the way up there. Ooh, what is that? Oh, he is trying to get me.
They're inside. Oh, it's the person we killed earlier. It's the Ash.
You got bamboozled.
And now there's another team on you too. There's two teams.
Of course there is.
You got bamboozled. Look at you. Give him my shield to recharge.
Yes, he's the Ash that you killed earlier.
This place needs a little more me.
Oh, that is hilarious. Hey, he's going for his teammate.
I took care of it, don't worry. Bam, there goes a boozle. Hitting me.
Hey, that's the person who finished.
Look at you. You got bamboozled. You got bamboozled.
Is it just like illegal to open death boxes now?
Oh, look at you.
Yeah.
I think this place needs a little more me. And they're hitting me. Broken enemy. Got another me. Damn, he's good looking.
Well, we know where to go when you want kills.
This was too much, dude. This was too much. You know how many times I gun swapped? How many teams tried to chase me? My like heart rate is not in a healthy place right now. It's actually really, really not. Dino's dumb and went to a restaurant. Well, you know who's not dumb and not going to a restaurant? Okay, you know who's dumb, but
Reloading.
I'm coming. Recharging shield. I'm only able to get one decent weapon.
I got him to zone again.
Downed an enemy. Opening fire. Use the clock. Bam to the bam. I'm running out of ideas.
I'm coming.
Shots fired.
Oh, someone's shooting the care pack, the thing.
Using the decoy escape. Bam to the woozle.
I almost broke one.
He's healing. He's healing.
Shield. Recharging shield. Bam goes the boozle. Ah. Oh boy. Use the clock. Shots fired. Enemy shield cracked. Reloading. Fire. Reloading. Downed an enemy. Sending out another.
The Ash is back to solo.
Kind of like for dinner. Whatever. Reload. Bam. There goes.
Something like that. Ladies and gentlemen, we got him. We wiped the squad. Only one squad left. Hey, the Ash is there.
He's right there. He's right on me.
Send in a decoy. Wait, how do I know I'm a decoy? Oh, look at you. Opening
She's
fire.
healing. Shielding.
Jutsu clock.
She got shield off. I did nothing.
Woo!
You soloed this entire match. That's funny.
Jensen, stop trying so hard. I can hear you not breathing. Dude, I'm legitimately shaking. I took that way too seriously. I'm shaking. I'm actually shaking so badly.
Oh my god, you almost hit 3,000 damage.
Second 3K of the season. Let's go.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, I'm shaking so badly.